Hey everybody, Matt here. There are many like her, but this one is mine. We're going to start in on the back suspension today. We're going to be putting some Legends shocks on the back. We're going up 1 inch to a 14-inch shock on the back. This is the view of its stock. Our guy's going to put a set of shocks on there. We're going to take a look and see what it looks like. So thrilled that we're getting started. This is really exciting stuff. This is one of those jobs that just goes so much easier with a center jack. The guys are able to put that underneath it and hold the back of the bike up so that we can raise or lower it so that when we put the shock on there that the suspension's the right height for the shock and that everything lines up. So one of the things that I hadn't thought about is that Kent's actually going to have to take these mufflers off of here in order to put those new shocks on. And the reason why we have to do that is because the axle bolt actually comes out far enough that it would hit the muffler with the taller shocks. So he's going to take those mufflers off of there. We're going to get these shocks on there, and then we're going to be putting the new pipe back on before this thing's going down the road again. So that's a look with the long shock installed. We got the reservoirs on there. It's on there for just a little bit of mock-up purposes to give us a little virtual reality about what this is looking like. You can see that it sits a little bit higher in the back than in the front. And it's just because we haven't done the kit on the front with the long tubes yet to get us a little bit of extra clearance in the front also. But nice to see it coming along, making some headway. Progress. I was just walking past and I absolutely love the bike from this angle. One of the things that's kind of interesting is on the old bike, there was a big skirt that came around the bottom of this fender and made the bike look lower. And then, of course, the last bike had exhaust that came all the way back out to the end. So I understand that, we're missing a muffler here and this is just a stock head pipe. But when I get the exhaust that's going on there installed, the 2 and the 1, it's going to be a shorter one. Not too different than what this is. Now I'm going to have a much better view of that back wheel than I had previously, which I think is sharp as hell.